Hi, my name is Leah Webster, and I'm one of the registered dietitians at the Center for Community Health and Prevention. Today, I'm going to be making portobello mushrooms in the air fryer. What's nice about this is on a hot summer day, if you don't want to turn your oven on, you can use the air fryer. This recipe takes about 15 minutes, and it is less than $15 for all the ingredients. So what I did is I got a package of portobello mushrooms. These came in a 3-pack, as you can see here. What I did is I just took a towel and brushed the tops off, and you can see all the extra dirt in there. So I brushed all those off, and then I twisted off the stems. So then I just have caps. So the portobello mushrooms, we're going to leave them over here, and they're done and ready to go. Next, I bought a bag of onions. For the entire bag, that was $3.29. What I did is I took the skin off, and then cut them into thick slices. So you have the big circle rings, and this is about 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick. And those are all set. I'll leave those on the side. The other thing I bought was a package of tri-color peppers. I have some right here, but what I did, 3-pack, they were also $3.29. Just cut the top off. And I'll use the rest of the top. Now I'm going to cut out the section. You can just twist this whole part out. And that takes out the middle and the seeds. And then I'm going to just cut it up in 3 big chunks. You can see here. For the bun, I said we're going to make a burger. I did not actually buy the bun, but if you prefer a bun, a whole wheat bun is available. I chose the corn tortillas. This is a 30 count. It's just under $2. And so the other thing I need, and I don't have the bottle here, but I took some olive oil, balsamic vinaigrette. I'm going to put some pepper in here, and then whisk it. You can see olive oil, balsamic vinaigrette mixed together. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to take my air frying basket and see the trays in there. I'm going to spray a little bit of olive oil spray on the bottom. You do not have to do that, but I find that it sticks a little less. And next, I'm going to just take a spoon. You can use a brush if you have it, and scoop a little of the olive oil, vinaigrette, pepper mixture right into the cap. You can see and leave it in the air fryer, gill side up. Going to continue to do that. There are 3 here, so I think it'll fit nicely all in the tray. So as you can see, 3 fit really nicely into the tray. I put some vinaigrette inside on the gills. Now I'm just going to put it in the air fryer. And I'm going to let it sit in there for about 8 minutes. Again, we all have different air fryers, so please check to see what temperature and what kind works best for you. Meanwhile, I have these ready. I'm just going to scoop in some of the oil vinaigrette mixture into them to get them ready. A little on the onions. And we're going to throw this right into the air fryer after. The thing about the air fryer is you don't want to double load vegetables that are in there or anything that's in there. So single layer only. So we have to wait about 8 minutes, like I said. And we're back. I am going to take out the mushrooms. You can see that they are nice and soft, well cooked. So these are all done. What I'm going to do next is the same exact thing, but do 1 layer of the onions and peppers. So I have 3 thick onion slices. I'm going to put those in. Whoops. And I think I will only have room for 3 peppers. Put those in. Okay, halfway through we are going to turn them. So here we have the nice roasted onions, pepper, and we need our nice and thick portobello mushroom. Like I said, this will fit perfectly if you have a bun. I'm just going to put it on a tortilla because that's what I have available. These on. Here we go. A little burger with peppers, onions, with balsamic and olive oil. And I have it right in a tortilla. The total cost was $3.29 for an entire bag of the yellow onions, $3.29 for the multicolored peppers, 3 of those. Portobello mushrooms, $1.89. I got the 30 count of the corn tortillas. That's why I have so many left over and I'm using them today. That was $1.75. The olive oil in the container is $2.75. And then I used pepper and balsamic. So it takes right around 15 minutes to make this. It took 16 minutes. And it costs right around $15 total for ingredients. All right, I am going to have this for dinner and I hope you enjoy. Thanks.